Hello, I am Ishan Kulkarni. Today we learn about malleable cast iron and its types and microstructure properties and applications. Let's start now. First, we learn type of the malleable cast iron. First type is ferritic malleable cast iron. Second type is perlitic malleable cast iron. Third type is perlitic ferritic malleable cast iron. Fourth type is white heart malleable cast iron. Fifth type is black heart malleable cast iron. Next we learn about composition of the malleable cast iron. The composition of the malleable cast iron is similar to the white cast iron because malleable cast iron is formed by giving the heat treatment such as annealing to the white cast iron. Next, now we learn about ferritic malleable cast iron. The first step to form the ferritic malleable cast iron is heating at a high temperature, and objective of this heating is a nucleation of the graphite. Next step, holding at a 1600 to 1750 degree Fahrenheit. This is involved FSG, means first stage annealing. Objective of this, eliminate a massive carbide. The third step of this production, slow cooling through the allotropic transformation range of the cast iron. This is called as a SSG. SSG means second stage of annealing, second stage of graphitization, for annealing. Objective of this, formation of ferritic matrix such that free from the perlite. Next slide. Now we learn about perlitic malleable cast iron. To formation of perlitic malleable cast iron, there are three steps are involved. Sorry for disturbing. We learn about perlitic malleable cast iron. There are three processes are involved to formation of perlitic malleable cast iron. First process is arresting the annealing during the SSG after the completion of FSG, and the casting can be cooled either by air or oil quenching from 1500 to 1600 respectively. Next process is by addition of chromium, manganese and molybdenum, and the composition is 0.5 to 0.9 percentage. Next process is ferritic malleable cast iron is heated above the critical temperature and cool either by air or oil. These are three processes to create a perlitic malleable cast iron. Now we discuss the cooling curve or heat treatment cycle of the ferritic or perlitic malleable cast iron, which is discussed in the previous slide. Let's start now. This is This is a ferritic malleable cast iron, and the cooling curve of the ferritic malleable cast iron, and the dotted region is a cooling heat treatment of the perlitic malleable cast iron. In the perlitic malleable cast iron, there is the absence of SSG, which is discussed in the previous slide. Next slide. Now we discuss about the nucleation of the tempered graphite in the malleable cast iron, such as ferritic or perlitic. First point is heating slowly promote a increasing of the nuclei. This is first point. Next point, thick section develop less nuclei. Third point, high silicon content promote balance of manganese and silicon. Fourth point, FeO slag is more than 25% drastically decrease the nucleation during the malleabilization. Fifth point, nucleation during malleabilization is increased by addition of 0.000 to 0.003% boron or 0.00 to 0.005% aluminum. This is fifth point. Sixth point, steel is present in the charge, decrease the number of nucleation. Next, 7, preheat treatment of holding the iron 600 to 1200 Fahrenheit for 20 hours. Now we discuss about perlitic and ferritic malleable cast iron. What is meant by perlitic and ferritic malleable cast iron and its production? They are formed by intermediate cooling rate of the perlitic and ferritic malleable cast iron. Now we discuss about black heart malleable cast iron. What is meant by black heart malleable cast iron? The black heart malleable cast iron show the central part gray. This is important point. Next, how to create the central part gray in the black heart malleable cast iron, such as this is done due to decarbonization of the surface, and this decarbonized ferritic malleable layer there is no temper carbon, hence it appear a bright as a presence of graphite, which make a dark in color and make a center black, and due to the central part is black, it is known as black heart malleable cast iron. Next point is white heart malleable cast iron. First point, in the white heart malleable cast iron, this cast iron show a white fractured from center to surface. Next point, the cast iron completely free from the temper carbon either in center or the surface due to completely decarbonization. This is most important point. Second point is most important. This microstructure does not appear as a cast iron, it appears as a steel, such as a white. This is the microstructure of the malleable cast iron. This is white region is nothing but a ferritic region, and this is black region is nothing but a temper carbon, black spot, or next we learn about perlitic malleable cast iron and its microstructure. This is the this is microstructure of perlitic malleable cast iron, and this is perlitic region, and this is temper carbon, which is present in the perlitic malleable cast iron. Now we discuss about ferritic and perlitic malleable cast iron. In this we learn bull's eye. This is the microstructure of perlitic and ferritic malleable cast iron. The black region, which is in lamellar structure, it is nothing but a perlitic, and white region is nothing but a ferrite, and here black region in the rosette grouping, in the form of rosette grouping, this is nothing but a temper carbon. Next we learn the white hot malleable cast iron and its microstructure. This is the microstructure of white hot malleable cast iron, and in this white hot malleable cast iron, this area is white in color, so it appears as steel. So in this region there is a eliminated of the temper carbon due to 100% decarbonization in this region. Next we learn about ferritic malleable cast iron. It is nothing but a ferritic malleable cast iron. It is a black hot malleable cast iron, which is represented by tick mark, and in this black hot malleable cast iron, the black region is a temper carbon, and white region is ferrite. In this white region there is a decarbonization process is take place. Now we discuss about properties of the malleable cast iron. First property is tensile strength of the malleable cast iron is equal to the 25 to 70 kilogram per mm square. This is first property. The elongation of the malleable cast iron 6 to 18 percentage, hardness 80 to 275 BHN. Next, the application of perlitic malleable cast iron is gear, blanks and gear. Next, crankshaft. Next, camshaft. Next, rocker arm. Next, tractor thread. These are all applications of the perlitic malleable cast iron. Generally perlitic malleable cast iron is used because ferritic malleable cast iron is very weak. Thank you for my watching this video, but here the video is not completed. We discuss about the references of the my video and my slide. कुठे गेले ते? These are references of my video and slide. First reference is Material Science and Technology. The author of this book is V.D. Kodgire. Next reference is Foundry Technology book. The author is O.P. Khanna. Next book is Principle of Metal Casting. Author is R.W. Hen. Next book is Physical Metallurgy. Author is Vijendra Singh. Next is the Internet. There are various authors and various slides which are published on the LinkedIn app. Next is a Dhatutandra Prabodhini magazine. The magazine spelling is wrong here. Sorry for this. In this magazine, I refer article of Avinash Joshi and article of S.B. Mudekar. Thank you for my watching this video. Here I complete this video.